Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. So in this video, as promised in my previous video, I will make a tutorial video with English language. So let's begin. In this tutorial, we will make a sofa object in Blender. So I already have a design in here. Let's start with a cube. I will adjust the dimension. As you see, I already have a number for the dimension. We will use this to adjust the dimension. The dimension for the x-axis is 1150 millimeter. And the y-axis is 570 millimeter. So the y-axis is 570 millimeter, and the z-axis is 160. There we have one object created. Let's continue to make another object. So we have one big sofa in here and 3 little sofa. Let's double click in here and make a new name. I'll name it bottom. And then shift D to duplicate it, GX and move it. The x-axis is 600 millimeter. We will need a space to put this big pillow in here. So let's make the y-axis 600 millimeter. GX, and we'll move it again, and then let's duplicate it once again. Shift D, GY, we are finished with the bottom. Let's make the back of the sofa. Rename it. Let's see. The z-axis is 640 minus 80. That's mean 560. So the back is 560 millimeter, and the y-axis is, let's make it 150 millimeter. Let's duplicate it and make another one for this little sofa in here. So shift D, GX, axis is 600. Now we will make the armchair for the sofa. Let's see the dimension. Let's make it 150. We will make the cushion first. Let's select this bottom object and then shift D and then Z axis, put it at the top, and let's rename this object cushion. And after that we will make the armchair. With this back, duplicate it, shift D, and then make the x-axis 15 millimeter, 150 millimeter. Put it here. And to adjust this length, I will go to the edit mode and go to face select and select the front face of this object, and then G, Y for the y-axis, and drag it. And for the top of this object, let's select it and drag it in the z-axis, just like in the design. Let's use edge select mode. Select the line in here and then Z, drag it up. There we have one armchair, and we will duplicate this object to put it in the other side. To rotate it, we'll use rotation in here. Rotate it in the z-axis 180 degree. So we have the basic object for our sofa, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.